Hey, what's up? Welcome to the show, the Signet podcast. At the beginning of this episode, I interview Max and ask him about how he started his business. It's really a very inspirational story. A lot of people come to us and ask us how they should get involved in real estate. There's so many different industries within real estate. Max got involved in the mortgage loan industry at about 21 years old. He's really the epitome of how to build a great business in real estate. Take a look for yourself.
Loan People is my company. We opened our doors January 2020.
Wow.
I started as a loan officer in 2001.
Wow.
And
Okay.
through the years, just kind of built up the team. And my girlfriend at the time, now wife, Dana, she joined in 2009
Okay.
and really started doing a lot of marketing for us. And I was always a really good technician, and she's an amazing marketing person. And when we put those together, this thing just kind of exploded. Fast forward, Lehman Team had become, number one in Texas and top 10 in the nation for around 10 years in a row. And we decided that, eventually it was just like, look, let's just do this on our own and let's build a platform.
Mm-hmm.
We call it FlowBlow, for
Yeah.
loan officers, by loan officers.
Yeah.
And have a platform where loan officers can come. It's extremely transparent. You can see everything. There's not a lot of layers of management, so it allows our pricing to be super aggressive. And then give the loan officers that join us the same marketing machine and materials that allowed Lehman Team to get to 300, 500, and then in 2021, 700 million
Wow.
in production. So that's what we did. We started it and opened the doors January 2020 and didn't know what was going to happen. Pandemic hit. That was pretty scary.
Yeah.
And then things exploded.
Yeah.
We were fortunate enough to grow, and we've started adding branches in 2021 and 2022 and 2023. And so, we're growing from here.
I think what's kind of inspiring to me about that, and I think sometimes people have these big dreams to be maybe where you're at and where a lot of people have arrived at. The thing
Yeah.
is that it's hard to get there in terms of you started with a mortgage company, you built your team, you built your business, and circumstances just led you to where you are here. Coming straight here would have been very difficult. And seeing the choices you made, the risks you took throughout that time,
Yeah.
I mean, that's the way to do it. You shouldn't, I think, overextend yourself if you're not ready to go there. And people want to go there, and I get it. But I mean, when you started Loan People, you had a client base,
Yeah.
and people come to you because it's you
Right.
and how you treat them.
Yeah.
And even your employees. I mean, the for loan officers, by loan officers, I think the culture you've cultivated and that you try to cultivate, it transcends to your clients.
Yeah.
So I think that's really special. And you keep your clients happy that way, and you work hard for them. So
Yeah,
it's
no,
cool.
and that's kind of the thing, right? It's always we, not me. This is everything's about the team. Whether it's loan officers, processors, underwriters. At the end of the day, closers, secondary, we're all working together for the same goal,
Right.
And we're all one team, and everybody really needs to be bought into that for it to work. And along those lines, we've kind of decided, Loan People is not a company for everybody. You may be the highest producer in the world, or you may be the best underwriter in the world, or the fastest closer in the world. But if you can't be nice and respectful, then you just can't work here. And,
Right.
for us, it's all about the team environment and working together and getting along, being respectful, everybody really vying for that same goal.
Right.
So that's what we're building.
Hey guys, if this video added value to your real estate thinking, forward it to somebody who you think it could help. Really means a lot for the channel, and I'm really trying to make it grow right now, so that would be great.